Hey, this is Paul, and look at this. Our black dragon is really happy. I mean, look at all the blooms. It's had quite a few, and we've actually set fruit. Look at this, Scott. We've set fruit using epiphyllum pollen.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, so as you can see, this is a really early bloomer. It's actually was the second bloom of the season was one of these flowers, and all I had was some epiphyllum pollen and 2 fruit set. So you can see it looks like this flower is going to definitely bloom tonight. It's just stunning.
Yeah, what do the flowers look like? Did you take a picture of the
Oh yeah,
flower?
here, you can see it right here. It's really beautiful. And then we actually got to taste the fruit last season. You can see the fruit here. So we enjoyed the fruit. Do you recall what you thought of it, Scott?
I don't remember it being very good. It was all right.
It was okay. It was not memorable,
like 6
right?
out of 10 status, maybe.
Yeah, it was decent, right?
Yeah, not bad.
I remember it was better than we thought.
Yeah.
But the plant itself is stunning. I mean, look at just how beautiful these buds are. Look at the color of the plant. It's a double bloom tonight.
Yeah, what was the cross on this one?
Well, this one is actually a Selenicereus grandiflorus crossed with Hylocereus Ocamponis.
Damn, good memory.
So it's a hybrid, yeah, it's really beautiful. Now, the problem is, I would say it's self-sterile, that's a negative, right? So you need to cross-pollinate it. So you can either use epiphyllum like we had, or a really good companion plant would be like an American Beauty, as you can see. So right now, those blooms I'm gonna cross-pollinate with either American Beauty, which would be a really great companion plant with black dragon, or over here, a voodoo child or a sugar dragon. You can see we had a flower last night, and we got a few more. It looks like another one coming tonight. So see, I'm gonna be able to mix an American Beauty pollen and a voodoo child pollen to make sure I could set fruit on that black dragon.
That's probably recommended with anything that's self-sterile, though. You want to companion it with something that will pollinate.
True that, but the one thing I would say that's unique is that these are such early bloomers in the season. You can see so many of these white flesh and other varieties behind us don't even have flower buds yet. And look at this thing, it's already on its second wave, it looks like. It's got second wave of flower buds already. And this thing's not that big. So the black dragon, we've talked about it for years. We have an affinity for it. We finally got to taste the fruit. There's the black Africanus, which is mixed up a lot with this. But just overall, a stunning, ornamental, beautiful variety. Look at, I mean, you can't get much more beautiful than that. So give us a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. And hopefully you can one day grow the beautiful black dragon.